Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a gradient layer to your app's background. So yeah, this is kind of just saying your app's background as a gradient layer. Like a gradient is just one color at the top and then one color at the bottom, and it sort of creates a fade effect. So I'll show you how to create that for your gradient effect background. I'll show you how to create that for the for your app. So we're not actually going to be doing anything in the storyboard. All we're going to do is going to go to view controller, and instead of view did load, we'll do this in the view did layout subviews. Actually, we should do it in the view wheel layout subviews, and then super dot view layout subviews. Then what we can do is we can create the gradient. So let gradient is equal to CA gradient layer, like that. And now we can set the colors. So gradient.colors is equal to, and this is actually an array, since the first one is the top color and then the bottom one is the bottom color. Or can actually go left to right, but yeah, it's just left to right or top and bottom. So first color can be something like a let's just make it blue dot CG color. You have to make it to CG color, and then the second one will be UI color dot pink, or actually we'll make it purple. That's nice. Dot CG color. Cool. And now we have to create locations, and these are basically where it finishes, like where the gradient finishes. So it starts at the very top and ends at the very bottom, if you know what I mean. Otherwise, if you made it 0.5, it would go on to the second color in the middle and then just be a solid second color, if that makes sense. And now we can actually set the start point. So this is where you set if you want it to be like diagonally across, top to bottom, or left to right. So gradient.start point is equal to CG point, and I want it to be top to bottom. So this is just going to be 0.0 here, and then 0.0 here, and then we can set the end point. End point equals CG point, and then since it's top to bottom, the X stays the same, but the Y goes all the way to 1. So yeah, now it's just going to be top to bottom. And finally you have to set the frame. So gradient.frame, I want mine to take up the whole screen, but yeah, you can just set this to any sort of thing you want. So X is 0 and Y is 0. Then the width is just self.view.frame.size.width width, and then the height is the same thing, but with height instead of width. Okay. Finally, we can just add this self.view.layer.insert sublayer, and we want it to be gradient at 0. The at 0 actually makes it so that it's at the bottom. So if you have any button or other UI views on top of it, this doesn't cover it. So yeah. Now let me run this and show you what it looks like. And yeah, there's our gradient, so top to bottom. And let's say we wanted a diagonal sort of effect, so then you just change this to be X fully 1 as well. And now it's actually a sort of vertical, or not vertical, what's it called, diagonal effect. But yeah, thanks for watching. You can change the color, so I can make this pink, system pink, make this pink, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.